What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we'll be drawing Miles Morales Spider-Man. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend the eye going up and then out towards the top. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Going up and then bending that out towards the same height. Now from the outside, we're going to curve the bottom of the eye. Coming around, down towards the bottom. I'm just going to pull that up. Just going to line that up on the right side. Let's go to the outside of the eyes. We're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to bend this down, across the middle, and then up on the right. Let's bend the edge of the hood. We're going to go up. Just going to clip the top of the eye and then in towards the center. Go across towards the right, over the eye, and then back down. Let's add that thick trim around the eyes. Starting from the inside on the left, step out. Just going to trace the eye going up. Out toward the top, line it up on the right. We also want to trace the bottom of the eye, going down, around the bottom, and then up. Let's add that webbing inside the mask. We're going to start in between the eyes with a point, going up and then down. From that center point, go all the way up with a straight line. Let's go on top of the eyes, angle this up and out. Go back to the center, add a curve, going up and down. Then from the outside of the eyes, angle is down and then out. Let's add those webs going across. We're going to start in the middle with two curves, one along the top and then one across the bottom of the chin. And from here, bend this up and then out underneath the eyes. Let's go up to the center, curve this up in towards the middle, come down and out. Let's go all the way up to the top, coming down and out towards the side. Now we want to draw the outside edge of the hood. Let's start on the bottom left side, bend this out, and then up towards the side of the head. Let's go back to the left side. I'm just going to round this out, go up, and then in towards the middle, round up the head, go across, and then bring that down on the right side. Now just underneath the head, we want to stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this up and then out towards the wrist. Let's line this up on the right, going up and then out. From the wrist, draw a small half circle coming down and up. Close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to wrap three fingers along the outside into a fist. Starting from the outside of the thumb, going out and then in around that bracket. Go to the outside. Bend the second finger, and then the third finger going all the way around and then in towards the side of the head. Let's go back to the wrist. We're going to add the edge of the sleeve, bend this out and then up, step in and draw that again. Now let's go up underneath the head and draw the bottom edge of the jacket. We'll start on the left. Bend this down and then out. Then we're going to pull the jacket going out and then up underneath the arms. Let's add a trim along the inside. So we step out, follow that same curve coming down towards the bottom of the jacket. And then we're going to add two drawstrings along the side. So let's start with a curve coming down and out on the left. Flatten this off, and then pull that back up. Now over on the right, we're going to go out and then down. Now we're going to move in, draw the side of the body, angle this down and in towards the hips. Close out the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's draw that same curve along the top, for the top edge of the belt. And in the center, draw two lines for the buckle. Let's simplify that Spidey symbol in the middle. We're going to start right in the center, going up and then down toward the left and right side. Bend this out and then up towards the top. Just round this out, follow that curve coming back in. Let's add a second set of arms, going out and up, around at the end, and then pull that back in. Let's add another one pointing these down, going out and then down, around the arms, and pull that back in, just round out the bottom. Now with the legs, we're going to bend the left leg up. So we're going to start from the hip, bend it up, and then out towards the knee, round out the knee, and then pull that back in towards the ankle. Let's round out the ankle, pulling this up towards the inside of the calf. And I just want to pull this back up and then out towards the knee. Let's tuck the foot in underneath, starting from the inside of the ankle, down, around, and just tuck that up underneath. Now from the inside of the leg, we're just going to bend this across and then down. Let's move back up, draw the foot coming down, around, and then up. Now I want to round out the leg. We're going to come down, in towards the foot, go all the way around, and then up toward the outside of the hip. And then up here, it's going to separate the shorts with a curve, going up and then out. Let's add a toe cap on the end of the foot with a curve, going down and up on both feet. Now leave a gap in the center of the foot and draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right. And then on top, we're going to draw the laces with a large X going across the middle. And then we'll sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Miles Morales as Spider-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.